Siya man gani, Kylie saying, Lola, you have to rest now. You're old. You've done many things. You have to eat more and rest because you wake up early. Amo pa nadladlaw kang balya sa akon. Kasundin her. Direct say sorry na sa